What is up, guys? And yes, Bitcoin has finally reached 62K, our supply zone. And ano nga bang pwedeng mangyari dito? Tignan natin sa charts. Ayun guys, nakatingin tayo sa monthly chart ni Bitcoin ngayon. And as we can see, no, kitang-kita na meron tayong bullish markets. Padanin muna natin yun. Ayan. Kitang-kita, meron tayong bullish market structure dito. And ayun, may napansin din ako. Minitigate niya tong imbalance or na-feel niya yung imbalance na yun. So, most probably, so it is all probabilities lang naman. Probably pwedeng ganyan, maket na siya. And looking at our 4-hour time frame, alright. So at our 4-hour time frame, we have a clear bullish intent here. So tignan din natin si daily.